Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Trouble Free. In today's video we are going to learn about the concept of business process outsourcing, which is in short called as BPO, and the subject of management sciences. Okay, since till now we have discussed so many contemporary management issue strategies, and this business process outsourcing is also one of the contemporary management approach, right? You know what contemporary management approaches are, right? The modern approaches, the current recent approaches that you are using in management sciences will come under the contemporary strategies. And so now let us get into the video. So first, what do you mean by BPO? You know, you all might be aware of this word BPO job or normal job, like that we will be discussing, right? So one company will hire some other company for some work. Okay, so in one particular company, in one particular organization, there will be different kinds of works to be done, right? Advertisement, sales, production, delivery, deployment, maintenance, like that different tasks will be there in one particular company. So all those works are to be managed by the company itself. So in some situations, what happens, the company will not be able to manage the different tasks. So in that case, what company will do, one task will be assigned to other company who is perfect in that particular task, and that is called as BPO, because one single person cannot be perfect in all the tasks, right? So for example, advertisement agency. So what advertisement agency people will do, they will do advertisement of our project organization, right? So they will create an ad and they will publish the ad, and all advertisement related tasks they will be looking after, right? So when you want any ad, you'll just approach an advertisement agency. In order to create an ad, we need some people to act in that, and we need some creativity, we need some designs and all, right? So if we are not perfect in all those things, if we are not in a position to do all those things, then we can go to an advertisement agency, we can hire them, and we can ask them to do the work, right? And that advertisement agency, since it is very perfect in advertising, it will do the work perfectly. Done. So this is how a BPO will work. Okay, now, so what is the nature of BPO? Availability of services outside the company. So whatever the services of BPO are there, they are available to you outside of your company. Okay, and it is a specialized service. So in your company, you will be doing everything, but whereas in case of BPO, it is it will stick on to only one kind of work. Okay. Next is cheaper source of service. Why cheaper source of service? Since everybody is working on a single task, everybody is working towards a similar type of task, so obviously the cost also will be less. Okay, and increase in the efficiency of the user. Okay, done. Why increasing the efficiency of user? Because one particular person who is perfect in that task, who is being doing that task from years and years, that person only will do it again, right? So in that case, there will be more efficiency. The probability for mistakes is less in that case, right? So that is about the nature of BPO. And next we have types of BPO. So let us see what are the different types of BPO we have. We actually have 4 types of BPO. Okay, financial, advertisement, courier, and customer support. Okay, again in financial is nothing but something which is related to money, right? Lending, taking loans, taking money from other people, repaying them. So all financial things will come under this. And this we again have 2: factoring service and merchant banking service. So in factoring service, what happens is, suppose you are company A, not A B, not you. So let us take one company A and the other company B. So A is selling some products to B, like the cash that B has to pay to A is 1 lakh rupees, let us suppose. Okay, but B is not able to pay the bill to A at this point of time, and B will ask A to give a time. Let us take 1 month of time, I want, B will say, right? In that case, but A wants money immediately, right? So B cannot give money immediately, but A wants money immediately. Then in that case, what happens? They both will approach a BPO. Okay, this BPO will be sponsoring money, so this BPO will be paying money to A. Okay, done. So the requirement of A to get money immediately has been fulfilled. Done. Now after 1 month, B will repay this money back to BPO, not to A. So in that case, B's requirement is also done, right? So A want money immediately, that requirement was fulfilled, and B wants 1 month of time to pay back money, and that requirement is also fulfilled, right? So this This is factoring service. Okay, the next comes the merchant banking service. In merchant banking service, shares issuing and the when we are taking some loans and all, some proof will be there, right? Some sureties and also that will be taken care of, those all things will be taken by BPO will take care of all those things. Okay, that is merchant banking services. Done. So this is about the financial services. The next comes the advertisement services. Advertisement services, in the beginning of the video itself I gave you the example of advertisement services, right? So when you want to advertise your product either by ads through TV or by banners or by pamphlets or whatever it is, so when you want to do something which is related to advertisement, then you need to be more creative, because you have to attract customers. If you're not so creative, if you're not so good at designing and all those things, then you can happily approach an advertisement agency who will showcase your ads. Okay, next is courier services. So when you want to send any raw material to any people, or online supplying or online delivery or something, then in that case you can go with courier services also, right? And the next comes the customer support. So customer support in the sense, if you are selling something, the customer has purchased that product from your organization and the customer wants to give his review or he wants to speak about it, the customer is not able to use it, the customer doesn't know how to use that product. So if you want to talk to the customer, if he wants to talk to the employer of your organization, the employee will be busy in manufacturing, right? So he cannot go and talk to each and every query, he cannot go and answer each and every query that the customer asks. So in that case you can again use the help of BPO here. So BPO will appoint some call center executives and all, customer care executives and all, so they will be answering to the queries of the customers and all, right? So this is the how you can take help from BPO for in financial, in advertisement, in courier, and also in customer support. Okay, done. And what is the need of BPO? So again, need of BPO is obtaining a good quality of services, because since I have said, like unlike a traditional organization which has concentration on all the departments, BPO will concentrate only on one particular service, so their efficiency will be more, and that is why the quality will be very good, because they are concentrating, they are working towards a single goal, right? And avoiding fixed investments in services and smooth running of business. Done. So these are the needs of the BPO. Done. So we have discussed about what BPO is, what is the nature of BPO, what are the types of BPO, and what is the need of BPO. Done. So this is all about this video. I hope this video is useful for you. If yes, hit the like button and also share it with your friends so that it will be useful for them as well. And let's meet up soon in the next coming video with another topic. So that's all for this video. If you're still having any doubts, just let me know that in the comment section, and if you want me to make any other videos or any other topics, just let me know that in the comment section. And if you're having your exam schedule nearby, just let me know the date in the comment section so that I can make videos more fastly, right? So thanks for watching the video.